All right, you've got your Called Rhythms book. Now it's time to develop and maintain some rhythms. Let's check out our calendar. The goal of this calendar is to help you plan and maximize your life each month. This is not meant to be your daily calendar for every meeting that you have, but instead, it's meant to highlight those big item things happening in your world. When are you using your vacation days? When's your day off each week? Are there trips happening or important things that you don't want to forget? Then list those on your calendar. You'll find 12 calendar pages, one for each month of the year. All you need to do is list a number representing the day of the month. So whether it's this year, 2025, or 2026, or 2036, you can use these calendar pages. This is a great way to plan out your year. So let me encourage you, keep on developing the rhythm of planning ahead and investing in things you love doing, because it's a rhythm that you definitely won't regret having part of your life in ministry.